Have you ever opened something and thought, I don't have time to read all this? That's the problem I use ChatGPT for the most. Most of us aren't short on information. We're short on time, energy, and attention. Emails, documents, articles, instructions, it adds up fast. Let me show you one simple way I use ChatGPT to cut through all of that. You can try this today. All right, I'm going to type in, I'm about to paste something long. Please give me the short version. What I actually need to know in plain English. Okay, that's what it is. And now I'm going to just paste in here. I've already got something waiting to go here. This is about how the first down works in American football. Okay, now notice what I've asked for. I didn't ask for a rewrite. I didn't ask for details. I asked for what matters. So let's see what ChatGPT does. All right, here we go. Here is the plain English version of what you actually need to know. And then it gives you this list. An NFL team gets 4 tries or downs to move the ball 10 yards, and so on. So it actually gave me bullet points, it cleared the takeaways, and it reduced the mental load. This is where ChatGPT really shines. It doesn't replace reading when reading matters. It replaces wading through things when it doesn't. Okay, I use this for emails, articles, instructions, anything that I just need to know whether to act, save it, or ignore it. One small tweak makes this even better. After the summary, I'll ask one follow-up question. What should I do next, if anything? That's it. Let's see. And see here, it says the short answer and the honest answer is there's nothing else that you need to know or do unless you want to. You already understand the core idea well enough to follow the game. See, that's what ChatGPT does for you. It takes something that's complicated and simplifies it. And that's it. Now I have clarity and a next step. This saves me time, but more importantly, it saves mental energy. And that adds up. This isn't about skipping important things. It's about using your attention where it actually matters. If you're curious about using AI in simple, practical ways like this, you'll feel at home here. Subscribe if you want less noise and more clarity.